Hey, it's David here. Had a question that's come up several times, and I just want to help people with the distinction. In Freedom Founders, we have the Freedom Founders Elite Mastermind group. That's a group that's by application only, and it's typically for practice owners who are at a level where their practice is running pretty well. They're probably veterans in practice. I would say 10 years or more in practice, generally speaking. They have their debt payments under control. Not necessarily paid off, but debt payments are under control. Their practice is providing a pretty solid amount of discretionary cash flow margin that they're now putting in other investments. They're looking at maybe an exit strategy within the next 5 to 7 to 12 years, that kind of a runway, and figuring out what their freedom number is so they can work backwards and get their money into alternative investments. In the Elite Mastermind, we do a lot of syndications. We have a lot of trusted advisors that we link and help people get their money into those alternative investments so they have real orchestration of their capital into cash flowing investments so they can get off the hamster wheel when they're ready. The Freedom Blueprint workshops, a totally different environment for totally different people. The workshops is a way for us in Freedom Founders to give back because we want to get a message out about financial freedom, what the real constructs are, why the majority who talk about it do it the wrong way. And these workshops are meant for typically younger doctors in practice, maybe 10 years or less. New graduates, certainly absolutely welcome. These workshops are very, very cost effective, low price point investment where I teach with my trusted advisors the primary aspects of leveraging into your practice. We talk about financial acumen, about when to pay off debt, when to invest money, the best ways to invest money. We talk about taxes. We talk about 401ks, self-directed IRAs. We talk about leverage points in your practice, how you can move the needle faster, more quickly, so you can get to that profitability standpoint instead of just being on that hamster wheel. We love helping our fellow colleagues. So whichever one fits best for you, our workshops, which are meant for the younger doctor still working hard on their practice, not quite ready to go to the investment level, and then our Freedom Founders Elite Mastermind group by application only, where we really work on the exit strategies and building that wealth through capital assets to get that freedom number within 3 to 5 years at max. Hope that helps. Love to see you at either one. If you have any questions, ask our great team. We'd be glad to help you out. Take care.